When we see a bee, we think of them as terrifying creatures. Well, like we just want to kill them or do something because they're like this big creature that just wants to sting us or do something. But truly I say to you that they share a great value in our society, in our human lives. When you walk inside a farm full of bees and you see them working all over the place making honey or taking out pollen from the flower, they're actually very important because they actually have more energy than our human bodies because they provide us minerals. And also that because they take out the pollen from the flowers and they make them more blossoming, to make them more beautiful. And also, if they're all gone, how do we get the honey? Or how does it keep the flowers blossoming, make them more beautiful? Now, why are bees a great value to us? In the website of Save Our Bees in saveourbees.co, it states that if all the bees are gone, then we practically lost 1/3 of our food services. So practically 1/3 of all of our food, which is practically honey, which can go into anything, is practically gone, and that's not good for our diets, for any of the foods that we want to try with honey, and that's not a good sign. Also on the website of bethecampaign.org, it states that we humans are destroying their colonies. We're practically killing their very own homes that they preciously make all the time. And that's not good because they travel to other different colonies and they're practically overpopulating. So practically they're killing brothers and sisters just to make space for them in order for them to keep on reproducing honey and living and all that stuff. Also on the website of fowl.org, it states that we humans also cut trees daily. And practically if you cut trees daily, you're practically losing land for them to make hives or to make honey for them. Because if you, for example, if you look at pictures of bears in the wild, you see them with honeybees, honey hives, because that's what they like, and also because trees are also valued to the honeys. Now that you know that, there are ways to help them. You can help them by showing kindness to them, because if you show them kindness, they'll respect you as well. And plus, they give us a lot of honey. From the website of honeybeehaven.co, it states that for us to help them, that to plant more flowers, to give them more flowers, because if you give them more flowers, you give them more pollen, you give them more honey to come, to take them out, and to go out back to their bee colonies and to reproduce it for us to eat. In the buzzaboutbees.net, it states that for also to help them out by spreading the news about trees, about why is it important, because bees are also very important for the trees. And also they say that to buy organic honey, because it's fresh from bees' colonies, from the flowers, from the plants that they get it from. It's not experimental like how it is in the factories with the milks and eggs and dairies and all that stuff. Also, envision yourself in a daily basis of spreading the awareness of the bees, spreading news that practically you don't hear about bees because they think that, oh, that bees are not really important for us. But truly, they are very important for us. Imagine the world with no bees at all. If there's no bees, no honey to produce. There's no money for the economy. And plus, there is no medicine. The facts about having no bees in the world is practically devastating and also tragic moments as well. For example, in the website of bbc.co, it states that bees produce generally 6,000 tons of honey on a daily basis for us to eat. So imagine, if there's no bee to reproduce the honey, then practically it's just going to stay there forever. And we're not going to have any honey as well. In the website of beyondpesticles.org, it states that in economy-wise, we lose $15 to $20 billion in economy. So yes, if you save money, then of course the country will obviously help it. So yes, bees are important for us, but also it's important for everyone, and it's also important for the economy in our country as well. Also in nlm.nia, persuaviespeech.gov, it states that a bee's honey is very important in our medicine society because the bee's honey is not experimented. It's from flowers and it's from plants. And the bee's honey can be used to solve coughs. It can be used to solve vomiting, and it could help you out with your eyesight. And it has tons of varieties. It has tons of minerals in our body. It has proteins. It has sugar. It has a lot of stuff that we need in our human body. Now, what you can do to help out bees, you can help out by planting beehives in your backyard, like a bee house, for them to come and to practically reproduce themselves on their own without anybody bothering them, because it's your own property. So you practically own them with kindness and care. And plus, you also get free honey and fresh honey that practically you don't really get a lot. Also, you can put a bird bath. You can also put a bird bath filled with water for them to stay hydrated and to keep on working as well. And also, you can plant a bee garden. You can plant more flowers, more plants, more stuff. So practically, if you have a lot of land and you grow a lot of flowers and plants, more bees will come and the more honey will begin to reproduce. Now, a bee's journey is always something that always must be remembered. But remember that bees are just like us, hard-working human beings that work on a daily basis as well to survive. Every life, that's whether human or animal, is very important to one or another. So practically, if you save lives, then good positive results will be everywhere.